In the metals quadrant today, taking a look at the July copper futures. We are looking at July here, which actually made new highs, new 10-year and then some highs, kind of 10 plus, about 10 years and a month. We reached the highest price levels today that we've seen since March 4th of 2011. But then we had a price drop. We finished the day actually down about 21 basis points. We're still up over 3% on the week, but we did finish the day to the downside. We had a big swing from 1.18% up on the high side, 551, all the way down to 4645, which was down 73 basis points. And again, we finished the day negative. That's after new 10-year highs. That's a pretty dramatic turnaround. Now, on the positive side of things, EU vaccinations are doing much, much better. That's a demand story for commodities generally and copper specifically. EU vaccination progress, specifically in Germany. Germany hit 1 million vaccinations per day. When you consider population, that's like the US hitting 4 million. So that's a really big improvement versus where they were. And that's affecting the potential demand outlook for commodities just in general. But copper is obviously a bellwether of that. And then on the downside for copper, yields rose. The 10-year yield has risen more than 10 basis points since mid-month. On April 15th, the 10-year yield settled at about 156 and the 30-year yield here in the U.S. at 223. Today they hit 168 and 235 and a half, respectively. A little bit higher than 168 actually. Coming back off a little bit on the settlement, but that yield move has given them a little bit of credence to a stronger dollar story, which hasn't really taken hold, but is kind of in the background when yields rise, which of course normally or typically or historically a stronger dollar means lower commodity prices, and it could have been part of what made that copper price turn around later in the day from a very positive start with those new all-time high, or new 10-year highs, down to a negative finish on the day.